I'm Sally Thibault, and in this video today we're going to be tapping on feeling focused for the day. Have you got one of those days ahead when you really need to stay focused? Well, this video can help. First of all, I want you just to think about what your day is like. Has it got a big day? Have you got a lot of things that you need to focus on? And I just want you to measure any emotion that's around it. Perhaps feelings of a little bit of anxiety about it, about stress about it, and when you feel it, where you feel it. Okay, here we go. Even though I have such a huge day ahead, and I'm feeling a little bit stressed already, I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel, even though I really need to stay focused for the day, but I have so much to do. I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel, even though I want to achieve so much today, and I need to stay focused for the day. But I can feel this stress building. I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Tapping. I need to stay focused for the day. But I can feel the stress building. I've got so much to do. I really need to stay focused for the day. But just the amount I've got to do is stressing me out. I really want to be focused for the day. But I can feel my energy scattering already. I truly want to be focused for the day. But I've got so much to do. Just the thought of what I've got to do makes me stressed. I really need to be focused for the day. But I can feel the stress building in my stomach. I really need to be focused for the day. But I can feel stressed. I really need to be focused for the day. But I've got so much to do. Take a deep breath and let it go. Just see if that level of stress has come down somewhat. And we'll do a reframe round. Again, this is really about staying present and just believing that you'll get done what you need to get done. All right, here we go. Even though the amount I've got to do today was making me feel overwhelmed, I choose to stay present. Even though I've got a huge amount to get through today, and I was worried in my ability to stay focused, I give myself permission to breathe and just be. Even though I have a lot to do today, I choose to stay focused. Let's move on to the next part, shall we? I choose to stay focused. I believe I will be able to stay focused. I choose to stay focused. I'll get so much more done if I stay focused. I choose to be focused. I give myself permission to breathe and be in the present moment. I choose to be focused. I choose to breathe and be in the present moment. Take a deep breath and let it go. Just placing the hands on your hips again And I want you just at this moment to really imagine and see yourself anchored and focused and just breathing. And what does that feel like when you know when you get to the end of the day, you'll have achieved everything you wanted to? How does that feel? Take a deep breath and let it go. Let me know how you go. Remember, click to subscribe and leave me a comment below. I'd love to know how you get on. And remember, our Mastering EFT for Personal Use link is below. I'll see you soon.